Good afternoon, Your Honor. Cheryl Luckoff on behalf of the plaintiff.
All right, I think Miss Parrish is here present. Is that you?
Nicole Parrish on behalf of Nicole Parrish and all of their occupants.
Okay. All right. Where are we on the, go ahead. Where are we on this case, Ms. Luckoff? What's the?
Your Honor, this is a non-payment of rent action. The defendant had submitted the DC 539 that she had applied for rent assistance. She also filed an answer indicating that there were some repair issues. I've had a chance to look into this and all of the repairs have been done. She submitted with her answer an email to my client, which was not to my client, but I don't want to get too far into the weeds here. The balance right now is $2,241.10. So I don't know where the rental assistance application stands. So I guess we should perhaps start with that.
The rental application stands. I have an appointment with them next week to get a phone. I'm supposed to have a phone call appointment with them next week to get it verified. But from the sounds of it, it's
which one? Hawk?
No, MDHS, I think it is the Michigan Department.
Gotcha.
Yep.
Because you filed a state emergency relief.
Yeah.
Okay. All right.
I put it in the information. However, we feel that it is fair that there is an abatement on rent because for some of it, not all of it, because from March 5th to May 23rd, we had no shower, no usable shower because there was a hole in our ceiling that they neglected to fix. And I'm sorry the email went to the wrong person. From what I know, Wendy is the person that I've been told to contact. So Wendy is who I sent the email from because she is the one that gave me her business card. And then on top of that, we not only have had to find another place to shower, we've had to spend the gas money and all of that to get to a new place to shower.
Okay.
And then on top of that, we had to clean all of the debris from something that we did not cause. So we had to clean the entire tub of all of the drywall and everything from the mess of the pipe bursting. They did not clean any of that. And in the picture, you can see that I submitted a picture of the tub.
Ms. Parrish?
And in the tub, there's just straight clothes.
Ms. Parrish, do me a favor. Take a breath. Okay.
Sorry.
No, it's okay. I will. No, I know. And I will hear everything you have to say, but you were flying there for a minute.
I'm sorry. We've had no usable shower for basically 3 months. We've had to find a new place to shower. And then we had to go through the distress of cleaning.
Okay, but hold on. Let me ask some questions. If Ms. Luckoff has indicated the repairs have been made at this point, correct?
They were made the 23rd of May, which is
still
from March to the 23rd of May. But they weren't bad.
Okay, I'll try that question again. As of right now,
yes,
the repairs were made. Thank you. That's what I need to know. Yep. Because I want to make sure we're not dealing with something continuing. That's the reason for my question.
As of now, the repairs have been made only because she got 2 weeks to be able to talk to her plaintiffs and have her plaintiffs fix it. Because it was fixed within the 2 weeks of the adjournment that you gave.
You just want to fight right now, don't you?
I just want to.
No, I know, but
I want some justice to be served about the fact that we.
Okay, I know. I hear you. I'm just there's a process for me getting there. Okay. And I just, it's not like today, what's going to happen is everything's going to be all resolved.
I understand. I knew that it wasn't all going to be resolved.
Okay. So let's do this because what was the total amount owing?
Your Honor, through today, it's $2,241.10.
And then tomorrow rent is going to click in.
Exactly.
So let me ask you this. Do you have June's rent to pay?
I will have part of it on the 6th. I will have it on the 6th. It will be late and there will be a late fee, but I will have it.
Okay. All right.
Because I don't get paid until
young lady.
Your Honor. Oh, sorry.
Okay. Listen. And I just try to be practical about things. Okay. In a way. All right. So I've got about 2,400 previous to tomorrow owing.
Mhm.
All right. So just listen to my question. Even if I said, okay, and I'm not saying this, but even if I said, I'm going to give you an abatement of $421. So you owe $2,000. You don't have that, do you?
I will have part of it on the 6th, and then I'm also going to the loan office tomorrow to get a loan for the rest of it.
Okay.
So we also got put out of jobs and stuff because they had a fire that happened in February and we got displaced for 7 days. So I'm now trying to get back into employment and stuff. I've been trying to get back.
Okay, Ms. Parrish.
It is okay if you kick us out. We don't want to live there anymore. I'm going to be honest with you. We have other options.
Well, okay, so listen. They filed a judgment for possession.
Okay.
They just want possession.
They just want possession.
Okay. Just listen
Okay.
to me, please, okay? They want possession of the premises, right?
Mhm.
Now, there may be a claim that you might owe them money, but for right now, they want possession of the premise.
Okay.
Okay? My initial inquiry was trying to figure out how you might be able to get this paid, but it seems to me, I don't know that can happen right away or within the 10 days.
Yes.
And then you tell me it's okay if you want us to move.
Mhm.
So do you want to move?
We are, yes. We had talked to them and they said that as long as we got it paid off, we could put in a 30-day notice and we could get out of there. We just want out of there. This isn't the first time we've had problems with their maintenance not fixing stuff. We got left with no heat overnight, willingly known by their maintenance back in January. We just want out. So if they're just asking for possession, I thought they were asking for possession and the amount of rent, not just possession.
Well, they may later on be asking for rent,
Okay.
but I mean, I could grant them a possession judgment right today, and then you could be done with this part of it.
How many days do I have to get out then?
Well, that's how soon can you be out?
The 6th preferably, so I can have my check.
Okay, you'll have through the 10th.
Okay, so that can be doable.
Okay, so you don't have a problem that if I find that there isn't necessarily a tribal issue at this point, but entering into a judgment for possession, if you wanted to stay, you'd have to pay the 24.21, but
Yep.
sounds to me like you don't want to stay. That would be your redemption amount, and a writ would issue in 10 days. That's okay with you?
Yes.
Any questions regarding
No.
that? You sure?
Yep. I want out of
Because you always have questions, it seems. You've
Yep.
got a lot to tell me.
because that's the only thing that I've wanted this whole case. I just want out of.
Okay.
I was gonna say I've just wanted out of their apartment building.
Okay. All right.
So then what happens? How long will I know until they have a judgment? Can I ask how long will they, I guess one question, how long will I know until if I owe them that rent after?
I'm sure they'll be in contact with you, or what you might want to do is the best thing to do is contact them
Okay.
and try to work something out. They may give a concession for it. They'll say, do this. The great thing about trying to do it that way is that then if there has to be a payment plan for whatever amount is owed,
Okay.
you can try to work that out with them at the same time.
Okay.
Make sense?
Then, yep, that makes sense. And then, so I have 10 days to get out and then I'm guessing I return the keys to them.
Yes.
Okay.
You would need to make sure that you return the keys to
To
them.
them. Yep.
Okay.
Okay.
So judgment to the plaintiff for possession, redemption amount $2,421. That includes costs, correct? Ms.
So-
Knockoff?
Actually, Your
Actually,
Honor,
one
it's
last question.
$2,241.10.
2,241.
Yes,
Okay.
yes.
So then, since they're getting possession,
With
the
the writ
June
issue
rent
in 10
won't
days.
be added on to that.
They may, so here's the thing. You're going to be occupying the premises for June. This judgment's not going to.
So if I'm out by June 1st though?
You have to talk to them about that.
Okay.
I can't deal with June
Okay.
because it's not here yet.
Okay.
Okay?
Yep.
I'm just gonna grant the judgment, right?
Okay.
Writ to issue in 10 days, and then I'm just gonna suggest that you talk to the landlord, okay? And see what you guys can work out.
Okay.
Fair enough?
Yes. Thank you.
All right. So I'll sign that judgment when it's presented. Ms. Parrish, thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.